Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Eccentric. Thank you for joining my channel. Today, make sure that you subscribe and hit the subscribe button and like this video as well. Today, we'll be discussing La Mer skincare. I'll be doing a live demonstration for you as well. And we'll also be discussing one of the #1 selling bronzers on the market. And when I say #1 selling, I'm referring to the Hoola Bronzer. Now, this bronzer is absolutely fantastic. It comes in a little square box, so it's great if you're a flight attendant, you're a businesswoman, you're on the go. It's great for men, it's great for women. You can actually do multiple things with this product. And we're going to get into that later. But first, I'm going to take off my glasses. This is not going to be a long video. I'm going to pull my hair back, put on my trusty hat, so I can show you how to apply these products. First off is La Mer's beautiful toning splash. Actually, it's called a treatment lotion, but I call it a splash. What you're going to do in the morning, you're going to do a couple of pumps like so. You're going to rub it back and forth, and you're going to push it into the skin and onto the neck. Now, this is a very refreshing product. It stimulates moisture into the skin and prepares your skin for your daily lifestyle. Preparing it for your repair serum, also your eye cream, and your moisturizer as well. After I have my my treatment lotion on, I'm actually going to be using the regenerating serum from La Mer. Now, this is a regenerating serum, so I'm going to do a couple of pumps, 1, 2, 3, 4. I usually use 4 pumps, and I apply it like so. A little zigzag down the number 11, down the nasolabial folds, here, down around the deep crow's feet, here as well, and then just right here as well. Then I massage it into the skin, making sure that I'm massaging in circular motions, and then I'm pushing it because La Mer's products love heat. I'm pushing it into the skin. The third product from La Mer that I'm going to be using, now this is just a sample size because I ran out of my other product, but it's actually the La Mer eye cream, and it's the concentrate eye cream. I know it looks very small. So we're going to be applying that. We're going to use a Q-tip as not to contaminate the product. We're going to dab it in, okay? We're going to put it on the back of our hand, and then we're going to apply. So, starting from the corner of the eye and under, up onto the orbital bone, and you can actually apply it onto the mobile eyelid as well. It is fantastic for puffiness, crow's feet, deep lines and wrinkles. Use some on the other side as well, starting on the outer corner, going around, up and around, all around the ocular area, and onto the lid as well. So you're going to see a huge difference by using these products. I love luxury products. I've been into luxury products since I was a kid, and my parents didn't really like the fact that I was using luxury products, but I like the fact that I was using luxury products. Now, I'm not saying every luxury product is the best luxury product on the market, but for me, sometimes luxury products do provide better hydration, better results, and better bang for your buck, if I want to say. After we apply the repair serum and the eye cream from La Mer, we're going to use their iconic La Mer moisturizing cream. Now, I already talked this morning about Lancome's skincare for dry skin. This is La Mer's moisture cream here. I'm going to scroll it onto the back of my hand like so. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to warm it between my fingertips. I'm going to push it onto my skin, like I said. The heat from your fingertips and onto my neck as well. The heat from your fingertips will actually push it into your skin. And when I say push, ladies, I mean you're pushing kind of like almost like a 2-pound, 3-pound rock. Don't hurt yourself though. And it has this delicious smell to it as well. This is one of the cult favorites from all the stars. And you can purchase it at Holt Renfrew in Toronto. and Montreal as well, and any fine retailer in the United States that carries La Mer skincare products. It's usually in sections that are with Tom Ford and Joe Malone as well, which is another great product too. There, we're done. Now we've already applied my moisturizer. We're going to be actually getting into applying my powder foundation. I'm actually using the Bobbi Brown Weightless Foundation today. And I'm simply going to apply on the forehead, down the bridge of the nose, right where I get, and over actually the lid as well, right where I actually have redness. So just like so, and you can be pushing it into the skin at the same time, as you can see what I'm doing. Now with this product, I am using a sponge. I said the other day, you know, with foundations and stuff like that perhaps you may lose your product when you're using a sponge. Not so much when you're using a sponge with a powder foundation. That's why the sponge comes with the product, and you can always have the sponges replaced. So under the eye area, and we're all good. And by having that La Mer's eye cream on too, what you're doing is creating moisture so that the product, when you apply it, has something to adhere to so that you don't get those creases and that nasty lines and wrinkles under your skin throughout the day. That being said, we are going to be moving on to the Hoola Bronzer. So, for anybody who's excited about Hoola, we can do the hula, 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 hula dance. And with the Hoola Bronzer, it's great for applying all over the face, ladies and men. So you're going to swirl, you are going to apply in circular motions all over the face. Swirl, circular motions all over the face. Also going down on the neck as well, and the décolleté too. I'm using these beautiful, lovely synthetic brushes from a mermaid collection that I had got from Tarte Cosmetics, and I absolutely love it. I'm actually doing a little bit on my ears as well, so I don't look ridiculous. I'm going somewhere after here, or after this video. So, voila. So you have a nice bronzed look, and it's very, very natural. That being said, we are going to use it as a contour as well. We're going to actually use it as an eyeshadow first. So we're going to open the packaging, which is just very simple. So for any flight attendant, any businesswoman on the go, for any man, you're just going to use your little eyeshadow brush. You're going to apply onto the lid, like so. Now, when applying powder eyeshadow, people always ask me, eccentric, should I be patting it or should I be moving it back and forth? The best way is to actually pack on the color using an eyeshadow brush, a smaller brush the size of your lid. So if you have small lids, don't be using a large eyeshadow brush. If you have larger lids, use a larger eyeshadow brush. And in regards to the question that they were just asking was, should I be using by pushing it into my skin or rubbing it back and forth? So what I'm doing is I've actually placed the color onto my skin and then I've just pushed it back and forth. And we're doing the second to the other eye and then pushing it as well. And voila. So we have a nice natural eyeshadow, great for all those flight attendants out there, business professionals that just want to do something quick and easy in the morning. Now, I already have some lip product on, which I actually was using the Vichy lip balm today. I'm actually using my trusty, oops, wrong brush, trusty lip brush from them, and I'm applying it just on my lips like so. On the upper lip and down. And you can create the depth of color, ladies and men, because this product is great for doing men's makeup as well. And we'll be discussing doing men's makeup for gay men who love to wear makeup. So voila, Hoola Bronzer, now used all over the face, used on your lips, used as eyeshadow. We're also going to grab another brush here, which is going to be our contour brush. We're going to dip it into the bronzer, and we're just going to contour a little bit into the crease, giving it a little more depth of color. And I'm just going to find your crease by just finding where your orbital bone is, right here. This is where your crease is. So I'm just putting a little bit more in here just to accentuate that eyeshadow bronzer that I put on. Same on the other side, finding my crease. You can find it by feeling that little bone and just going back and forth like so, ladies. Perfect. Now, using the same contour brush, we are going to line, using that, our eyes here. So, right on the lash line and up. Right on the lash line and up. And voila! Your beautiful blue eyes, or if you have green eyes, or if you have hazel eyes, will just jump out and stand out. So, after that, we're actually going to contour. We're actually going to use the brush itself that it comes with. Hoola, 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 hoola. Coming down under the cheekbone. Cheekbone, feeling it right here. Boom, 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 boom. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day when you're finding out how to play with makeup every day and creating a look that is so simple and fine. I am not the best karaoke singer. So once that product is on, we are actually going to buff it out. Now I'm just using a Revlon Simple Sponge Blush contour brush. I think it's $9.99 at your local department store. And voila, we have cheekbones, contoured cheekbones. You can also apply it down the bridge of your nose as well, just to accentuate, and on the chin, and you can use the bronzer here as well, and on your neck. So the Hoola Bronzer is meant to be used on in multiple ways. That's why it's so amazing. So not only does it come with the brush, it comes with this cute little packaging. We're actually going to now use an eyeliner brush to fill in my brows. So, filling in my brows, I'm just going to apply the product just like I'm filling them in where they are. So from left to right and down, and from left to right and down. I'm going to top everything off with a quick coat of mascara from Lancome Hypnose Drama. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the perfect, easy to use skincare routine using La Mer Skincare and also Hoola Bronzer. Hoola Bronzer. Hoola Bronzer. Anyways, I'm Eccentric. Thanks so much for watching my channel. We will be doing makeup on men later. Everybody have a great day, and thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button.